If your Amazon PPC campaigns aren't performing how you want them to, then this video is for you. I've been selling in the Amazon space for over 12 years, scaling multiple brands to millions of dollars per year in revenue. And today, I'm gonna break down the best strategies for 2025 on how to optimize your PPC campaigns, lower your ACoS, and increase your ROI. I'm also gonna explain the biggest factors why your campaigns might not be profitable and how to fix that. Let's dive right in. So what are the goals for a PPC campaign? The one goal for a PPC campaign is to make money. But there's two ways to do that. So the first way is spend on keywords that are gonna make us money. So we see keywords, we're testing out a lot of different keywords and we're saying, okay, you know what? Every time I spend on this keyword, I'm making money. When I'm spending $10 on this keyword a day, it's generating $100 or $200 for me. I wanna keep spending on it. I wanna raise it from 10 to 20. That's why most agencies fail to grow businesses, to build brands on Amazon. Their only focus is having a low ACoS and not really increasing the overall sales, not doubling and tripling the sales like I've done many times over and over again for other people, and like I've done for my own brand, which I just recently launched. So the first way is spending on keywords that we know are gonna get us profit. For every time we get a sale, we spend on this keyword, it's generating sales and it's profitable. Fine, that's great. That's what most people do. And that's what I do, and that's what you should do also. But there's another factor. The other factor is spending on keywords that you have a high conversion rate on, and you know that keyword is very relevant to you, and you're looking at your competitors and seeing that that's where they're getting all their sales from, so that you need visibility on that keyword also. I'll take a step back. We look at our competitors and we see, okay, these are our main competitors. They're doing numbers that we dream of and we want to get there. So where are they getting all their sales from? We could easily see that data. Amazon shows us where they're getting their sales from, which keywords. So we could look at where they positioned for that keyword versus where we positioned for this keyword. And now we know that we need to get there. The problem is a lot of times you're bidding on those keywords through ads and you see that the ACoS is high. So what do people do? They stop bidding on them or they lower their cost per click. So when they're spending X amount to be on the top and they say, you know what? I'm not profitable when I'm on the top of the page. I want to bring it to the middle or the bottom of the page because it's cheaper bids. That's fine if you're not looking to grow your brand because you're only focusing on the direct profit from the ads. I look at what's my position for this keyword organically. Okay, this keyword XYZ, I know that I need to be on the top of page 1. That's where my competitors are getting all their sales from. And I'm on the bottom of page 1. So how do I get there? I need to show Amazon conversions. I need to show Amazon a certain amount of sales, and there's a calculated way to do this very easy. Like it's a simple formula. We see what our competitors are. You look in brand analytics, you see where the competitors are getting their sales from. What's their conversion rate for this keyword? How many impressions are they getting? What's their add to cart percentage? You can see everything and you can compare it to you. So what do we need to do? We need to bid on these keywords. We need to get a certain amount of sales in a certain amount of time, and then Amazon will automatically, their algorithm will automatically put us on the top of page 1. That's how I've scaled so many companies. Brought one company from $2 to $24 million in 2 years just by using this strategy. And even my own brand, it's only a year old. I have 2 listings. Each one of them is doing $100,000 a month in sales, and it's a no-name brand. I'm in the first image for that listing. Like a lot of people, you know, these agencies, they're pushing their services on you, but do they really believe in Amazon? I really believe in Amazon. I invested $400,000 of my own money starting a new brand last year because I believe in it. I know what I could do. I know it's just simple math. It's following the formula. Again, there's 2 ways to advertise on Amazon, and you should be using both of them. The first way is bidding on keywords that are going to directly bring you profit. Every time you bid on this keyword, you know it's a profitable keyword. And the second way is, which you must do, most people stop doing this, which is why they don't grow. Bidding on keywords, looking solely at the conversion rates and looking at your organic rank with the goal, with the intention of, I'm gonna get enough sales on this keyword that Amazon is gonna bring me to the top of page 1. And it doesn't take months and months to do this. It takes literally 2 weeks to get ranked to the top of page 1 for any keywords you want. You just need to know what you're doing. You need to know what's the right bid for this keyword, how many sales do I need to get in a week span, and that's it. Most people don't grow because they don't focus on this part.